Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the keyboard so you can use emoji anywhere. Go to Settings, then General, then Keyboard. This gives access to language and input controls. Tap Keyboards, choose Add New Keyboard, and select Emoji. That registers the layout with the system. Once done, make sure emoji appears in the keyboard list and that you've allowed full access if you use third-party emoji apps. This prevents permission errors. Now you're ready for the first in-app test to swap keyboards. You switch keyboards directly from any app's text field. Tap into a message or note to bring up the keyboard, then press the globe or smiley icon to toggle to emoji. It cycles through installed keyboards. Once in emoji mode, use the category bar or the search field to find the symbol you need. This saves time compared with scrolling. Make sure to long press related keys for skin tones or gender variants. That reveals alternate options without leaving the emoji. You finish by inserting emoji and using prediction to speed typing. Tap an emoji to place it in your text and watch the predictive bar for suggested emoji based on typed words. Long press to pick skin tone or variant, then drag or tap to insert faster. If emoji don't appear, check settings to re-add the emoji keyboard, toggle keyboards off and on, or restart the device. This usually resolves soft keyboard glitches. If problems persist, update iOS to restore keyboard function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.